Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here, mortgage advisor from Bosanoff Mortgages, Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you live this afternoon with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. And I have some horrible news. Other than the 6-month and the 1-year rate, all the other fixed mortgage rates have gone up and they're not pretty. So let me show you the little card here, and I'll just rattle through it so you can all see what the new rates are. And let's just get into it. So the 6-month rate, it's around 4.49, which is the same as the 1-year rate, 4.49. So no real change there. The 18-month rate, there's a bit of a range now from 4.65 to 4.69 for 18 months. 2 years is now 4.85 to 4.89. Wasn't so long ago where it was 4.69. So now it's 4.85 to 4.89 for 2 years. 3 years. Now this is where it gets interesting because most of the banks had 4.99. There is still one bank that's offering 3 years for 4.99. All the rest now are offering 3 years for 5.19. That's gone up quite a bit. 4-year rate, there's a massive range here from 5.19 to 5.69, and the same with the 5-year rate, 5.29 to 5.79, but no one's fixing for that long. So if you're getting a 3-year rate that's still got 4.99 or less, you're doing very well. And for everyone else, expect to see those 18 months and 2 years around that 4.65, 4.69 for 2 years. For 18 months, and for 2 years, 4.85 to 4.89. And that 3-year rate, over 5 now. So if you've got a mortgage, if you're thinking about refixing, definitely get in touch so we can chat and we can help you. The OCR review here in New Zealand's not until the 8th of April. You may have heard the Aussies moved their OCR equivalent the other day. That went up. And as we can see, we're paying some of the price here now because interest rates around the world has gotten more expensive. The Fed in the US, they've kept theirs the same. So they haven't had a cut for a while. So, and if you're wondering what the floating rate looks like, there's a bit of a spread on the floating rate between the banks from 5.29 to 5.65. So fixing in most cases with a 4 in front of it is still way better than those rates. What's going to happen to interest rates with this war that's going on in Iran? I think the Reserve Bank will probably look through it at this stage and say, look, it's still short term. It'll be a shock. There'll be a spike. But the longer it goes on, I wouldn't be surprised if they put up their interest rates next time they meet in May or June. In terms of what's been going on in the housing market, we've had another busy week with our first home buyers and also our buyers that are buying and selling in the same market, usually upsizing. So they're selling to first home buyers. That is allowing them to springboard into their next home, upsize their house. So that's working well, while other people are either downsizing or moving away. So there's a lot of transactions, a lot of musical chairs, as I like to say, that's happening with the housing market. So if you're interested in getting pre-approved to buy your next home or even your first home, because we're busy with first home buyers in Wellington, there's a lot of people feel they've got confidence with their jobs, they've got a decent deposit. Despite what I'm saying with these rates, for a lot of people that's actually not too bad. So they just want to get on, stop paying rent and move into their own house and get on with their life. So if that sounds like you, or if you know anyone that wants to buy their next house or their first home, feel free to pass my details to them. Or if that's you and you're watching, my details are all in my bio here. Get in touch and I'd love to be able to help you guys get pre-approved so you can buy your home with confidence. In the meantime, I'm going to sign off and watch the space. We might have something fun for you tomorrow afternoon. If you've got any questions, throw them in the comments. Always happy to answer them and post the video if it makes it easier. In the meantime, Ka kite, God bless, stay safe, and we'll update you with the interest rates again next week. Ka kite, guys.